Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Lowe's in May 2026. We have the Lowe's Memorial Day sale has started, and there are a ton of great deals in this ad, particularly on a lot of the power tools from DeWalt and Craftsman. There's also some great outdoor power tool deals from Ego. The 5 mulch bags for $10 is back. And then we will also dive into the Kobalt 48 volt tool line mystery that has kind of taken place over the past month. I will give you all the updates that I have. So sit back, relax, and I'll break it all down for you. And then as always, I do use affiliate links. You can actually scan this QR code right here if you're watching on a TV to take you to my storefront page. You will also see links in the YouTube shopping feature and in the description below. But if you see anything you like in this video and use my link to make that purchase, I do earn a small commission. It's just a great way to support my channel. Doesn't add any extra cost to you. So with that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get started and dive deep into these deals. So let's first talk about some of these front page doorbuster type deals. The first one, big front and center, is the 5 bags for $10 of their Stay Green mulch. These are the 2 cubic foot bags, which are bigger than the ones that you can get over at Home Depot. They're actually only doing 4 bags for $10. So this is a much better deal, and it's great to see it back. They kind of took a break from Spring Black Friday to now, but it's back. It's a great time to pick up mulch. You will not find a better deal than that. They also have 5 bags for $10 of their garden soil from Miracle Grow. Another great thing to buy this time of year is some insect killer for your lawn. This is the triazicide version. I've used this one pretty much every year, and it works great. And these are just $5 for a 10-pound bag, which should cover most lawns. They also have the concentrate formula if you like using it that way, or the ready-to-spray container if you want instant results. But all of that is $5. There's also some nice patio deals going on. They have this nice patio set for $300. It's a 4-piece set. You're getting basically 2 chairs, a love seat, and a coffee table. They also have an 11-foot cantilever-style patio umbrella with the LED light built into it. Home Depot has one very similar to this. This one's $400, and that LED light is solar-powered, which is super nice. So now I want to draw your attention over to the power tools, and really your big deals are on DeWalt and Craftsman. And I'm going to start out here with DeWalt. Probably the best deal that I think they have going on is this 5 amp hour battery 2-pack with a charger for $300. And then you can actually pick 2 free tools out of the list that you see here. And there's a lot of good ones. They have the jigsaw, the sander, the router, your circular saw, the multi-tool. And most of these are the XR brushless versions of those tools. And then DeWalt also has for $199 or $200, they have a 4 amp hour battery with the charger, and then you can pick 1 free tool. So if you're looking to build your DeWalt collection or looking to jump in, this is a great deal. I really like that $300 deal with the 2 batteries, get 2 free tools. That is a great price. They also have some nice deals. Here's the DeWalt multi-tool. That's going to come with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for $120. And then they also have the popular DeWalt miter saw. This is your dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. It is $500. That's $150 off. The other tool brand having the biggest sale right now is Craftsman. They're having their Craftsman Days sale. And the big deal here is if you buy this V20 2-pack of their batteries, you're getting a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery with a charger for $99. You can pick any free tool, and there are a ton to choose from here. Look at this display. I feel like it just keeps going on, but so much is here. They have the caulk gun, the multi-tool, even some of the outdoor power tools are included in this, like the leaf blower, the hedge trimmer. That is an amazing deal if you're in or want to get in that Craftsman line. They also had a killer deal on this 4 amp hour battery. This is standalone, doesn't come with a charger, but this is just $39. That is a steal for a 4 amp hour battery. They had your choice of a drill driver or impact driver. Both of these come with a battery and charger at just $59. And then a couple more Craftsman deals. They have this 6-tool combo kit. You're getting 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a case, and these 6 tools. So you got the multi-tool, drill drivers, flashlight, reciprocating saw, circular saw, all for $200. That's a Black Friday level price there. And then on some outdoor tools, they have for $99 this 2-pack where you're getting the string trimmer and the blower. Now, these are pretty light duty, but if you have a small yard, they'd be perfect for that. And it's going to include a 4 amp hour battery and charger with that. All right, now let's talk about Kobalt. Now, a lot of things to talk about here. So if you'll remember back to about February, March, Kobalt announced new USB-C powered batteries, as well as their new 48 volt line of outdoor power tools that take 2 of those 24 volt batteries. Now, I got an exclusive look at them and then eventually got some hands-on experience with them, and I love them. I love the way that those new batteries could charge via USB-C or the old style slide-in power chargers. And I'm just always a big fan if a line of tools can just use one battery across their entire platform. But about a month ago, all of those new batteries with the USB-C ports and all of the 48-volt line of tools disappeared online and in all the stores. Just pretty much overnight disappeared. You can see here in my local store, every single section where those tools were are completely empty. And then eventually they did put this notice out just explaining that the tools that you'd see in their weekly flyer are no longer available. So that is super alarming. Now, rumors started flying about battery defects, possibly due to overheating. And then some people claim that it's a manufacturer change, and the manufacturer was actually issuing a stop sale and buyback of all of the tools while they make that manufacturer switch. And I've got to say, I'm still pretty unclear of what the actual story is. I did reach out to the people at Lowe's that I know and was just told that they are still trying to get all the information that they can. But it's definitely leaning towards the manufacturer change angle. Now, the original manufacturer was Greenworks, so I have no idea who this new manufacturer would be if that's the case. But we are starting to see signs of life. If you go to Lowe's website right now and just search for these 48-volt tools, you used to be able to see nothing. They were all gone, but now they're coming back. You can see right here is a bunch of the tools in sort of a combo kit. If we scroll down here, you can see the string trimmer, the mower, all this stuff seems to be coming back. But if you see, it says in-store only. And if you click view details, they are not available in any of the local stores that I have. But it is nice to see some signs of life here. Let me know if you start seeing them in your local stores again. But it does seem like they are coming back very soon. One thing to note that does lean towards that manufacturer change is if you actually look at the batteries here, you can see that some of them have this sort of black base with the blue top. And then some of them are all black right here. You can kind of see like this image of this mower actually has both versions of the battery with the black bottom and blue top here, and then the all black version right here. So that's kind of leaning me to believe that there was a change in these batteries. Here's kind of a closer look at it. So I don't know what the full story is there. There hasn't been any recalls or anything like that issued. But anyway, long story short, you should start seeing these tools back in your stores pretty soon. But the Memorial Day sale that they're running right now is if you buy any of these tools, you can actually get a free battery and charger with that. And that is a 2 amp hour battery. And then on the 24-volt line of outdoor tools, I would kind of hold off on this, to be honest with you, with those 48 volts coming back in stock. But if you just want the 24-volt, you can buy this combo kit of the blower and the string trimmer that already is going to come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger, and you'll get an extra 5 amp hour battery for free. Next up, let's talk Ego. They have some great deals going on. First up is on their lawnmower. This is the 56-volt, 21-inch deck self-propelled lawnmower. It's already going to come with a 7.5 amp hour battery and charger, but you're going to get a free 5 amp hour battery to go along with that. That is an expensive battery. That is a $330 value, and that all together is $650. They also have a free battery deal here. If you buy the 765 CFM blower for $330, you can get the free 2.5 amp hour battery. Same thing with their 16-inch string trimmer. And both of those tools already come with a battery, so this is going to be an extra one. That makes that a great deal. And then on their Powerhead string trimmer, if you buy that for $380, you can pick a free attachment. They have the brush cutter, the hedge trimmer, the edger, and the pole saw to choose from. So nice deals there. Kind of a buy one, get one free across all these tool brands. And then next up, let's talk about grills. Now here on the front page, they have their Pit Boss smoker. I have this exact one, and it has been awesome. This is the Pit Boss 850DX wood pellet grill, or really smoker, and this is $500. That's $150 off. They also have their 40-pound bags of the competition blend wood pellets for just $12. That's about as cheap as I've ever seen it. So a nice time to stock up there. And then moving on to the propane grills, they have this Char-Broil 4-burner commercial grill. It's a really nice built grill here at $550. They also have the Char-Broil sort of performance standard grill here at $200. If you buy one of their Blackstone griddles, like this 2-burner here for $300, you can get a free 6-piece accessory set, which is really nice. And then your Weber Genesis 3-burner gas grill is not cheap at $1,000, but you will get a $50 insert stainless steel rack with that purchase, if that helps with that $1,000 price. All right, and then last up, let's talk about some pressure washers. First up is this gas-powered Craftsman model. This is a 3100 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute pressure washer on sale for $300. And then you also have your Greenworks electric pressure washer. This is a 2200 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute pressure washer at $200. They also have my favorite outdoor cleaner here, 30-second outdoor cleaner, and the ready spray container is $15. And then they also have the concentrate, the 1 gallon concentrate for $10. All right, and just one more thing I want to point out. If you're a Lowe's rewards member, and you really should be, it's a free program. They actually have 3 times points on any Memorial Day purchase. You just have to activate it in your account. But definitely make sure you remember to activate that, especially if you're going to make a big purchase this Memorial Day. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, check those links in the description below and in the YouTube shopping feature. Please like the video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.